Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how can use winch in RV. So as you can see, we have winch in the back and we have winch in the front. So it works the same. So for the front, just go right here and interact, and let's say you're stuck. So you'll need to use the winch. You can attach it to the trees and all different poles right here, as you can see. So let's attach to this tree right here. And now what we'll need to do is basically go and take a controller right here, and you will be able to use the controller. So as you can see, you can release it, pull it, or reverse it. So to pull, just click on the left mouse click, and as you can see, it's working correctly. And to release, you can just click it on the right click on your mouse. So basically that's how you do it. And to release, if you click on R, and with T you can change the sides. So let's say I want to use this winch, you can use it too, just like this. So as you can see, it moves the winches. So use T to toggle front or rear. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you use winch in RV. And to detach, just go right here and you can attach it to RV again. So that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.